Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have your sheet ready. Start by confirming the lookup column is clean and left of the return column because index match expects positional ranges. First, select your lookup value cell, then note exact ranges for match and index. Use named ranges or absolute references to avoid shifting. Once done, type equals index and point to the return range. Pause. Do not include headers in ranges. This prevents off-by-one errors and makes the formula robust when you copy it across rows. Now you construct match to find the row index. Use match, lookup value, lookup range 0 for exact results. This returns the relative position inside the lookup range. If you need approximate matches, set 1 or -1 and ensure sorted order, otherwise you'll get wrong rows. After confirming match returns the expected position, wrap it into index. Index, return range match. Make sure both ranges align in size and orientation. Mismatched ranges give errors or incorrect lookups. Finish by testing several scenarios: exact hits, misses, and type mismatches. If values are missing, use IFR around index match to show a friendly message or fallback. This prevents ugly errors. Make sure numbers aren't stored as text and trim stray spaces using trim or value where needed, because type mismatches break match. Once it works, convert the formula to array formula or paste with absolute ranges to apply across rows. Troubleshooting tip: if results are wrong, verify both ranges start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.